Hey guys, so guys, today we're gonna make a cheesy, creamy, oh so delicious cornbread casserole. We're gonna make it two ways, and it's really easy and it's oh so delicious. So you're gonna need a box of Jiffy. You're also gonna need a can of creamed corn. You're gonna need a can of whole kernel corn, which you're gonna drain, and you're gonna save that liquid that you drain off because you're gonna need half of that liquid for the recipe. You're gonna need some shredded cheddar cheese. I'm using cheddar and Monterey Jack. You're gonna need about a cup of sour cream. And 2 large eggs. Now this recipe is super easy. You're just going to take all of your ingredients and you're going to mix them really well in a big bowl. Now if you've ever been to Chevy's Mexican restaurant and you know that little corn cake, corn pudding that they give you a little scoop of, this is that, but even better, you guys. It's so good. It's kind of, I would say Chevy's is more on the sweeter side, but if you want this to be on the sweeter side, all you have to do is add a couple of tablespoons of sugar, but I like it just the way it is. It's super delicious, and you should definitely give it a try if you like corn cake. I think that's what it's called, corn cake, corn pudding, but yeah. So we're going to go ahead and make sure our ingredients are mixed well. And then here I have my baking dish, and I've sprayed it with some non-stick cooking spray. I'm going to go ahead and add my batter in and smooth it on out to make sure it's nice and even. Now to half of this casserole, I'm going to add some sliced green onion and some bacon. This side is my side. Babe likes his side to be plain, so I'm going to go ahead and jazz my side up a little bit. Some roasted green chilies would be really good in this. Some cut up pickled jalapeno would be really good. It'd be like a loaded cornbread casserole. So next we're going to fully cover it in our cheese. And then we're going to bake this at 400 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes. Once it comes out of the oven, you want to let it sit for a bit so it can set. I didn't because I was super excited to show you guys. You guys, look at this. It's so creamy, cheesy. It's so good. It's so good, you guys. You have to give it a try, and it's super easy. Like I said, you can make it your own by adding in some peppers, chilies, bacon. Yum.